Bienvenidos al tutorial de los martes de Pointwise, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we demonstrate how to define a custom T-Rex growth profile. It is important to keep in mind a couple of things. At the moment, custom T-Rex growth profiles can only be created via Glyph scripting. And the second thing, custom growth profiles like the one described in this video requires the user to know exactly what T-Rex wall spacing, growth rate, and growth acceleration they need in a per layer basis. To illustrate the concept, we will create a custom T-Rex profile consisting on the following distribution. 15 layers with constant height, which means a growth rate of 1.0 and a growth acceleration also of 1.0. And the next layers will have a growth rate of 1.2 and a growth acceleration equal to 1.01 until T-Rex reaches isotropy. As you can see, the image on the left shows a regular T-Rex volume grid with a constant growth rate equal to 1.2. On the other hand, the image on the right shows a T-Rex volume grid with the described custom growth profile. Now let me show you what the Glyph script required to generate this custom T-Rex growth profile looks like. The first 4 lines define the needed parameters, the total number of layers that have to be enough so the T-Rex algorithm can reach isotropy, the number of constant layers, the growth rate, and the growth acceleration. The 5th line defines a tickle variable where the growth profile will be stored. In the next section, we set the growth rate to 1.0 for the first 15 layers. Right after that, we set the growth rate to 1.2 for the 16th layer, and then we use a growth acceleration equal to 1.01 to compute the variable T-Rex height for the remaining layers. We then assign the computed custom T-Rex growth profile to the appropriate block, and last but not least, we initialize the block, and that is happening right here and right here. Let us go ahead and switch to Pointwise. Note that we have 2 blocks with regular T-Rex applied to them, block 1 and block 2. They both look identical. Let us go ahead and run the script that will assign the defined custom T-Rex growth profile to the block on the right, so to block 2. As you can see, the profile has been updated. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.